Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to prepare a simple recipe for Ndengu. So our ingredients for today is we have hoho, garlic, some carrots, onions, tomatoes, dania. I'm going to use meat, a few pieces of meat, and my Ndengu is here. I've already boiled it. So let's get to the video. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and comment. So we are going to start by putting our sufuria on the heat. Then I'm going to add my meat. I'll let it boil for like 5 minutes without water. So I'm just going to simmer so that my meat can a little bit soften up. So guys, please stay on the video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is what I was saying. I didn't add any water on my meat, so what I'm doing, I'm just trying to dry up the juice part of the meat. So at this stage you can see it's drying up. So I'm going to add my onions. The reason why I've used this method is because I didn't boil my meat at first. So let's add our onions. Then I'm going to add my oil and let my onions to cook. As you can see, my onions are ready, so I'm going to add my garlic. So the garlic is not going to cook I'm not going to let it to cook for some time because the oil is hot. Then I want my tomatoes and hoho. So let's add our Royco cube. I've used 2. And then I'm going to use this one, the chicken one. Kuna venye huwa ina slab, so I'll mix the 2 of them. Please try this recipe. So I want this to water and then I'll put it on my meat. Mixture. So at this moment I'm going to add a little bit of water. I've added my Ndengu and my carrots. This is a very nice recipe. Please try it in your home and comment below on how your recipe came out. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is our end results. Our Ndengu is ready. I'm taking it with rice. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video. Bye bye. Thank you for always supporting me.